from India, or Abdul Muhyi.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, I have two-part question. First is, how should one person give zakat if she or he have 22 karat gold? Second part is, if a person
If he has what?
22 karat gold.
Okay.
20. Second part is, if a person only has money, how he or she should have to give zakat?
As per the first part of your question, you have to check whether the 22 karat gold reaches the threshold. The threshold is measured by 24 karat gold, and that is 85 grams of 24 karat gold. Every time the karat number drops, this means that the weight of the threshold goes up. So when we say 22 karat of gold, this means that there are 2 of copper or other minerals in that gold, which should make the percentage go from 85 maybe to 90 or 91. I don't know. There's an equation for that. But the easiest way to do so is to take your gold to the goldsmith, to the jewelry shop, and ask them how much gold that is 24 karat is found in all of this. If they say it is 150 grams, that's fine. Ask them, how much would you buy this from me? And they say X amount of money, then you give 2.5% zakat on that. Cash money is estimated by silver. So the threshold is weighed in or looked into to be equivalent to 595 grams of silver. And the prices of silver go up and down, but approximately it should be around $1,500, give or take few. So if you have $1,500 or more, depending on the prices of silver today, you have to just check it on Google and multiply the value of 1 gram by 595, and then you will get the threshold of silver. And you give 2.5% if a whole lunar year passes with this amount in your possession. And there is an easier way, and that is to divide the amount by 40. So if I have 100,000 and I would like to give zakat on that, divide it by 40 and you get 2,500. This is your zakat, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows.